Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font on this smartphone. Start by going into settings. Now you need to select display over here. Scroll down and tap on font size and style. Then go into font style and tap on download fonts. Over here you need to click on this little icon next to Rosemary 1 and wait. Following that, just go back and tap on it over here in order to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!